Let's go over some visible terminology in League of Legends, starting with everything we can see on screen right now. Here's our health bar, our resource bar, our level, our username, and our clan tag, and this is our champion. Let's go over the hotbar now. These are stats for our champion. These are rune stats. These are abilities. This is our champion portrait, and this is our experience bar and our level. This is the health bar, the mana bar, including the HP regain and the mana regain. These are our summoner spells, our item slots, and our items, our trinket slot, our recall button, and our gold. Next, let's actually go around the map and start naming stuff. First of all, where you spawn is called the Fountain. The Fountain will heal you after taking damage. When you recall, you will spawn in the Fountain. This is the item shop. You need to be in Fountain to buy items. This is our Nexus. These are our towers that are defending the Nexus. This is the inhibitor. And these are our inner towers in our base. This is a tier 2 tower. This is a tier 1 tower. Let's go over some of the jungle monsters now. This is Gromp. This is Blue Buff. These are wolves. These are raptors. This is Red Buff. And this is Krugs. This is Bottom River. In the Bottom River, you can find a Scuttle Crab that can also be in Top River, and the Dragon. There are 4 types of dragons, technically 5, but we'll go over those in another video. In this case, this is Mountain Dragon, as you can tell on its symbol, and also the dragon itself. Next, let's go over the plants. This is Honey Fruit. When you destroy this by attacking it, it'll drop honey fruit on the ground. These will heal you for both your resource and your health. When you walk over them, you'll be slowed, and this little guy might also try to eat them. The next plant is something called a Scryer's Bloom. When you hit this plant in a specific direction, it'll put vision in that direction. And lastly, we have the Blast Cone, or a red plant. If you hit this, depending on the trajectory, you can traverse walls. In the other river, we have Rift Herald. In lanes, we have minions. There are 3 types of minions, technically 4, but we'll go over 3 for now. We have caster minions, melee minions, or melee, and cannon minions, or siege minions. At 20 minutes, Rift Herald will disappear, and Baron Nashor will spawn. Lastly, let's talk about lanes. Right now, we are in mid lane, or the middle lane. There's top lane, and bot lane.